Welcome to the series finale. Both Chrony and ntpd implement NTP. So why did Chrony become the default on modern Linux? The answer is about design priorities. ntpd was designed in 1985 for always-on servers with stable networks. Chrony was designed in 2007 for laptops, virtual machines, and containers, machines that pause, resume, and disconnect. Same protocol, different worlds. Starting from a 30-second offset, ntpd corrects slowly over several minutes. Chrony steps close to correct quickly, then settles in seconds. For a VM that boots fresh, that difference is critical. During network outages, ntpd marks unreachable sources as untrustworthy. Chrony falls back to the drift rate it learned about your specific machine. Chrony's clock stays much closer to accurate during disconnects. ntpd is one daemon that does everything. Chrony splits it cleanly. chronyd runs in the background as the service. chronyc is the command line tool. Cleaner separation, matching modern Unix practice. For always-on servers with stable networks, either Chrony or ntpd works fine. For laptops, VMs, and containers, Chrony's choices fit better. On most modern Linux, Chrony is the default. Same protocol, different priorities. The world changed and Chrony matched it. Thanks for watching. Recap: both implement NTP, but Chrony's design fits today's laptops, VMs, and containers, and that's why it became the default.